Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a group on Roblox. So I'll show you how to do this today on a PC or laptop. And if you find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So the first thing we need to do is open up a new browser and come to roblox.com. And then what you want to do, if you haven't already, is just go and sign into your account. So once you've signed in, it's fairly easy to do. What you need to do is click the hamburger menu, so these three lines up in the top left hand corner. And then all you want to do is come down and click onto groups. So this is going to take you to the groups page on Roblox, and to create a new group, all you need to do, you'll see there's a button up here which says create group. If you go and give that a click, and then from here you can actually create your group. So what you can do is name your group, and you can put a short description if you want to. That's purely optional, but you can put a description telling other people what your group's about. So I'm just going to put example. And you can also set a image. So this acts as like an emblem, like a group picture. So once that's done, all you need to do is come down here and choose your settings. So you can select it to anyone can join, which means anyone can literally search your group and they can join it. Or you can click manual approval, which means that people have to get approved by you first before they can join the group. So after that's all done, what you need to do is come down here. Now, to actually create a group, it does cost 100 Robux. So if you haven't got any in your account and you click this button, it's going to ask you to purchase 100 Robux to create the group. So you just go ahead and click purchase and purchase Robux and then create your group. But that's how you do it, so I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.